Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Aaron from AMFIT Coaching and we are in the kitchen today. We're making a very easy breakfast that you can meal prep in advance, and all you need is 3 ingredients. So we're going to be making some very easy egg bites that you can make right in the oven within a matter of a few minutes, so that way you have breakfast for the next couple of days. And if you are new to this channel and new to my videos, my name's Aaron. I'm an online coach. I help people get strong and lose weight. And if you want to keep seeing fitness videos like these and random cooking videos like this as well, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below to keep getting updates. And if you missed my last video on the basics of creatine, I'm going to link it up here so you can go back and watch it and stay up to date. Before we get into today's recipe, make sure to give the video a thumbs up if you like this kind of video and want to keep seeing more videos like this. And if there's a certain recipe or type of food you would want me to make next, leave a comment down below and share it with me. So before we get into making the egg bites, we have to go over the ingredients. So we really only need 3 ingredients plus a couple seasonings, so very basic and very easy. So next, we do want to get some greens in our egg bites. So we're going to be using spinach. You can use fresh spinach if you like. I'm using frozen spinach because it's easier, so I'm just going to microwave it and then put it in. Today, we're going to use about a 1/4 cup of frozen spinach. This is kind of up to you in the amount you want to use. If you use too much, they may not hold together too well, so don't overdo it. About a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup should be good. Now for our seasonings, we're going to be using some salt and pepper to season our egg bites. Then if you want a little bit of spice, you can add in some chili flakes. Now we've got the ingredients down. First step of actually making the egg bites is making sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And the next thing you could do, if you wanted to, it's more of an optional thing, you could saute some onions and garlic beforehand to add into the eggs. I'm not doing it today. It's not necessary, but it's 100% optional if you want to add it in. So I'm going to take you through step by step into putting together the egg bites. It's extremely easy. It's even easy for myself. So I'm going to walk you through it step by step so that we can see how it's done. And our timer actually just went off, so let's go take them out. So that is the final product. I had them in the oven for about 13 minutes. I find around 12, they're still a little liquidy, and then they get pretty good. So you can see I kind of overflowed a little bit. So I'm gonna let them rest for a couple of minutes, just to let them cool, and then we're going to take them out and then see how they taste. So to take them out, all we need is a knife, and we just have to pop them out. So this makes about 3 servings if you want to have 2 at a time. Then as soon as I put these on a plate, we're going to go over the macros. So this is our final product. With 6 eggs, you get 6 egg bites, and they're each about bite size roughly. I'll see if I can zoom one in here. So for this whole batch with the ingredients we used today, as a whole batch, there are roughly 535 calories, 47 grams of protein, only 11 grams of carbs, and 37 grams of fats. So they may fluctuate a little bit for you depending on the cheese that you use and if you add in any other ingredients as well. So if we break that down into per egg bite, so one of these egg bites will be roughly 90 calories, 7.8 or around 8 grams of protein, little less than 2 carbs at 1.8 grams of carbs, and only 6.2 grams of fat. I would recommend having about 2 of these as a serving. This one's a little bit bigger. That way you get a little more in you. So from start to finish, you could honestly make this recipe in probably 15 minutes. The only time is like cracking the eggs and like just whisking everything together. So it's very simple, it's very easy. And then if you like, you can put these in a container, you can refrigerate them, you can save them for later, and then just pop them in the microwave if you're busy in the morning, and then you can eat them on the go very easily. So before I let you go, let's give one a taste test and see how it is. Let's cut it in half. See what we're working with, see how it is. And there we go. So that is just one, so that is one of our egg bites. We got the spinach, cheese, and I did put some red pepper flakes in mine. So let's take a bite and see how it is. Turned out really good, to be honest. Not too much cheese. The spinach is a nice touch. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and hopefully you try this recipe. You can modify this one, which is nice. You can put different ingredients in that you prefer. So if you want to like bacon or ham or a meat or like extra veggies or something like that, you can do that. So you can make them exactly how you like, or you can make them just as I made them today. 3 ingredients, very easy. So good luck trying this recipe. If you liked this kind of video, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you want to keep seeing these kind of videos. So appreciate all of you for watching the video, and I'll see you guys next time.